Hi everyone, Tim from Nuovo Homes. Just finishing up on a extension that we've just done. The building's heritage listed. Quite a simple little extension, just added a bathroom in the old living area, and then we've created this great new living space on the back. Check it out. What we've got happening in here, we've got real pine timber flooring, direct stick onto concrete. It's been given a white finish, like just a matte white finish. Kitchen, joinery by Farquhar. Also got our laundry in those cupboards just back there. Beautiful high ceilings, 3.5 meters high. Everything's been painted. Another little detail that we did is we lined up the window looking out to the west there with the island bench. And then we've also created this great patio area out the back here with the gyprock ceiling, blueboard bulkheads. As you can see, there's a bit of landscaping still to do in the backyard, but all in all, this has been a great project. Just finishing up now, getting a few photos that we can put on the website. We've also built, it's back in here, don't mind me, bathroom, shower, bath, toilet, and this wall right here used to be where the fireplace was. Hopefully I've got a photo from when we started, but it was in quite bad condition. It's been replastered. Then we've gone to direct stick gyprock, which has got a few timber frame just to help it for support. Then we've got two new walls that we've created, and we've got our tiled floor. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to build or renovate or extend, contact Nuovo Homes. We do a great job.